Good day. Today we are doing something different. I have a road test for the Element 14 community coming up, and I need your help. So what does this mean for you? Well, let me tell you. The road test that I am participating in is for the Raspberry Pi starter kit, which includes a bunch of cool things, which we will be unboxing here. So in the next week or two, we will be going over the contents of the Raspberry Pi starter kit, the official one. So this should be a lot of fun. What I need from you is this. When it comes to the Raspberry Pi, you might have some questions and maybe are having trouble with something, a project that you're working on. Well, for this road test, what I wanted to do was reach out and find out from everyone what they might be having either issues with or questions they might have in regards to the Raspberry Pi. So a lot of this is going to be fact finding and helping you guys understand the Raspberry Pi better. In the next few weeks, we're going to do the unboxing video, we're going to do the review video, and then finally a video on your questions answered on the Raspberry Pi. This one will be focusing on the Raspberry Pi 3, so make sure those comments get put into the comments below here, or if you're watching this on the Element 14 community, post them below, and either on YouTube or on the Element 14 community. Links to both will be below. Either way, you'll find it. And let me know what questions that you might have. Questions could be as simple as, how do I get something installed? How do I install packages for using Python? There could be a slew of questions you might have. Let me know. I'm not sure what you might ask, so I'm curious, and this is what I'm going to be doing, is bugging everyone to find out what they would like to see. So not only will there be examples, I will do tutorials and answer as many questions as I can. So the more questions being asked, the better. I love to help people out, so by you guys giving me some input, that will go a long way. If you're on YouTube, Twitter, the Element 14 community, make sure your questions go below this video that you see, and I will make sure to add them to the list. So hopefully I'll be able to get through all the questions everyone has on the Raspberry Pi 3. As we all know, this year is my year of using the Raspberry Pi in everything I do, regardless if it's using it as my desktop computer to making any sort of project. It must use a Raspberry Pi. This is my own little personal thing for the year, so I'm quite excited about this road test. So with that being said, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and post your comments, questions below, and we'll see what we can do about getting those answered on the community soon here. All documentation will be posted on my road test, which will be linked on the bottom of every video regarding this road test. So for now, thank you for watching, everyone. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Take care, eh?